Guys, welcome back to another day in Animal Planet. Here we have a wild Eric and a wild Dayanara. I just want to show my face. This is my ugly sister. Don't follow her on Instagram because I'm not going to put in the description below.
Now I gonna share your videos. Get out. Get out, fool. Get out.
Like fuck about little videos. No, I'm playing. I'm playing.
No. How did I put
Fast.
it? Oh my god. You know, I'm asleep. I'm like, good night. Is it halfway in?
No. You still scared of blankets?
No.
No?
No. Look it. Oh.
Transformation. She's gonna dress like me.
Well, if she's gonna dress up like you in Halloween, shouldn't she also be the yellow Power Ranger?
No, I'm Spider-Man. What are you doing?
I'm trying to put on your ears.
Is you ready?
No, I still need the pants. Really? How do I talk like a lesbian?
Say you love Demi Lovato.
I love Demi Lovato. I like Demi Lovato.
You said I love Demi burrito. I mean,
Oh! Wow! I felt like Demi Lovato. Oh my god! You are a piece of shit! New Coletta and
How was your date? Anyone in particular?
no. No.
How do tacos taste?
What?
Tacos.
I don't like tacos. Only
Okay.
asada.
That's
You dumb, you have no life. I hate you. You're a bad sister. And you because of dick.
That's not. Oh my god. Let's go back. Wow. That's how I look.
you look like a guy with long hair.
Oh, hold on. I need to.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Please like and subscribe. Follow any of my social media to keep updated. And I'll see you guys on Monday.
Smooth talking, so rocking. He's got everything that a girl's wanting. Guitar cutie, he plays it.
Hey, bitch,